All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. This is part 6 of our backpacking trip from Costa Rica into Nicaragua. We started off in Liberia and headed across the border in a previous video. We stopped at some locations along the way in Nicaragua, including Managua, Chinandega, and our final destination where we arrived in the last video is called Potosi, which is up here on the northwest corner of Nicaragua. So this location I wanted to visit because it is at the corner of this bay, and across the bay you can see Honduras and El Salvador. So this is a very small town that's very far from the capital city. In this video, we're gonna check out the accommodations that I'm staying at right there in town. We're also gonna walk over to a hot springs pool on the other side of town because there is in fact a volcano just inland from this small coastal town. Now, if you haven't already, guys, be sure to hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification, leave me a comment down below with where you're watching from, any places you want me to visit, and be sure to check out the Amazon store. You can scan the link on screen with your cell phone, or there's a link in the description below. It has a lot of the stuff that I use while I'm traveling in Costa Rica, and now for this trip here in Nicaragua. So there's one more view of the bay, guys, where we are, and let's get into this walking tour. All right, and here we are. This is Hostel Brisas del Golfo. Brisas del Golfo. Now, I booked this. I just saw it on Google Maps, and I contacted the owner on WhatsApp. $30 without AC, and $40 with AC. So you got a table. Of course, all my stuff's all drawn out there. Bed, bathroom, pretty simple. Right, this is a very coastal town, but it's pretty chilling. I'm happy I got here before sundown, so I could actually see my way around. There's a restaurant here. That's super cool. A lot of hammocks, And then this is the main road here. So we've got a cow parade. Actually, we crossed a couple of cow parades on the last video coming through. I think, yeah, we can get out of here, guys. We can get out of here. So there it is. Here is the sign you'll look for. Brisas del Golfo. Super nice. And we got one more thing to navigate here. Cool, so that's where the bus dropped us off there. That's the church for reference. So if you call her, if you get lost, she's gonna say, find the church. And this is town. So when we drove through, this is a very small town. This is just like way on the north end of Nicaragua. So it's not a big town at all. This bro's riding the horses, man. That's cool. Now, I looked it up, and apparently there's some hot springs down here. We're going to try to find it. Okay, there's the store. There's a corner store there. Perfect. So I've been buying bottled water this whole time, and that's kind of the kick in the butt about doing this bus trip. Because apparently if you just straight up drink the tap water in Nicaragua, north of Mexico, has some bacteria that you may not like. Might get you a little sick. So I've been doing the bottled water thing and just humping around a lot of water, just in case. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment as always with your questions, feedback, requests. In this series, I'm doing the backpack trip from Costa Rica. So this is leaving the second country. So we did leaving Liberia into Nicaragua. That was painful, 4 hours in immigration. We did some bus trips, various types of buses. Got all the tips and info on that. So I'm also looking for the main road here, which I don't know if it's up here. I don't know where it is. We're exploring together. Now there's a volcano over this mountain. I got some shots of it in the last video. I think it's right over these trees here. Look at it, it's coming down. Hello, man. Let's start this. Yeah, it's over that mountain, so that's good to know. That's good to know. There's a pig here, guys. There's an absolute pig. Nice. That's recycling right there. Oh, I think these people are coming from the hot springs. Lots of dogs here. And chickens out. Dogs and chickens. I'm pretty sure we're walking towards the turn where I gotta go. So hot springs nearby makes sense because there's a volcano right over there. and that makes the hot spring. So you know what I've noticed? You'll notice the road here. I've been paying attention to the roads in Nicaragua. Very, very good. Very, very good roads. And it's not only like they're good, like there's no potholes, like there's no like patches, you know what I mean? It seems like they just do the whole road in one hit. And I haven't seen, although I haven't been driving, I haven't seen like many big ditches like I hit in Limon in one of our previous videos in Costa Rica. Caused at least $400 worth of damage. So, I mean, you can see this road. This is like way on the outskirts, right? It's in very good order. So that's something I've just noticed about Nicaragua. I've also noticed like not so much traffic in Nicaragua. Now, I don't know if that changes, but it's, you know, it's the weekend right now and there's really no traffic jams per se anywhere. So that's interesting. Now, the climate here, it is hot. And in the last video, we went through, I want to say it correctly, Canandaigua. And man, I was sweating profusely. Hola.
Hola. Hello.
Practicing English there. Now there is a restaurant here, I think. That's good to know. Okay, so the road gets dirt here. We're going into the dirt. Oh, I got some street meat. And is this another shop? Looks like it. Looks like it. So what are we doing here? Man, I see like a pig over there too. Lots of like livestock. Oh, cool. Those termales. Okay, that tells me I'm on the right direction. Disculpe. ¿Hay agua termales aquí? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, gracias. There you go. Cosiguina is the volcano. Cosiguina. That's so funny, as I said, like the roads. You know, and this is common, right? You come off the main roads. I should have prefaced it by saying on the main roads. The main roads are in really good order. Hola. ¿Agua termales ahí? Oh, cool, gracias. Cool. And where are we going here? I think I maybe took the wrong entrance. Maybe I'll go this way. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow, that's fun. Fantastic. Yeah, I definitely took the wrong entrance. Let's just walk over to the right entrance. And it's funny, I didn't even bring my water shoes because I was like, probably not going to go to any beaches. And here I am, walking through the water. Okay, looks like there's a lot going on here. Man, I'm happy. Wow, I'm happy I took the rustic trail when there's a perfectly good gate right here. How fun is that? All right, guys, so here is the aguas termales. Man, that's great. There's people got little tubes, little inner tubes, everything like that. And they've built up a little dam here. How great is that? Look at that, man. That's fun. Let's dip the old feet in and see how this feels. Let's dip the old feet in. Oh, it's not too hot. It's not too hot. It's actually kind of just lukewarm. So there you go. There's the aguas termales. I guess the volcano is not spiced up right now. All right, guys, unfortunately the video camera went down, so we're just going to do some still photos showing you guys the port there. Here's where we are standing at the agua termales, the hot springs here in Potosí, and we're going to walk down to the port. It's just about a minute walk. Here is the pathway heading in, very rustic indeed. Wear some good shoes walking down this road. Now here's the view off into the Gulf of Fonseca. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Those mountains off in the distance, I believe, are part of Honduras, could be part of El Salvador over there. And finally, here's that port that you can see on the map. I believe there's a ferry that takes you from Nicaragua to El Salvador from this location, but that'll have to be for a future video. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that walking tour here in Potosi. Be sure to check in for the next video in this series where we bus it all the way back to Costa Rica and do a night border crossing to basically finish back where we started in Liberia.